Hi, this is a walkthrough of how DataFabric integrates with Meta. So, DataFabric is a unified operations platform that lets you pull in data from different operating platforms like HubSpot, Salesforce, other CRM platforms, and NetSuite that help team across multiple domains, report across multiple domains like sales, marketing, finance, as well as make any other operating decisions based on that. So if we go head over to the connections here and add a new connection here, we will be able to see our meta connector. And once we click on meta, we will be redirected to overflow for our meta account. Since I was already logged in with this account, I will be able to see all the businesses associated with this particular account. And once I select the business I want to connect or integrate with Data Fabric, I'll select and go ahead and manage, of course, see all the required permissions by Data Fabric. And once I authorize that, so this takes me back into Data Fabric after this authorization, where I see that my Meta Ads account is now connected here. So if you notice, we selected this business and this business is associated with only one ad account, which is not selected. So the flow is from the perspective of flow, what happens is when we select a business account, we will manually need to select all the ad accounts associated with this particular business to be able to pull in the relevant data. I can go ahead and select this, done, and then sync. I can see that I can click sync, and that will cause Data Fabric to now reach to the Meta Marketing API and pull all my Meta Ads information in, like campaigns, ad sets, ads, and insights across Facebook and Instagram. So once I'm done doing the sync, I'll go to data pipeline here. Yep. So I can define my dashboard data model for my unified data across all my platforms. I can go over to transformations here. I can view my data pipeline, the whole pipeline view here, and see how the data are joined and aggregated from across multiple platforms here. I can head over to pipeline status here, and here I have a data pipeline I can organize with my other platforms. If you see Meta here, it just shows like the sync last completed just now. Here in the ingested data, this is the actual data that is ingested from all our operating platforms, Amazon, Salesforce, QuickBooks, as well as Meta. And if we see here, it shows my campaigns, the ads associated with that campaign. So there was just one campaign and one ad associated with that campaign, as well as all the ad insights for that particular ad. So if you notice here, we have the number of clicks, the impressions, the spend based on the activity for the insights. So this is how we see all the data for Meta here, as well as other platforms. So this shows our unified data or gold records, where we are able to see which brings all the data across different platforms into one operating model. And I can also view and customize my dashboards, which brings all that unified data into different widgets and shows everything that is in the unified data here. So this is a walkthrough of Data Fabric and how it connects with Meta.